Friends, look at this photo right now. It is completely ruined. Zoom in, nothing is clear. I know you have many like this on your phone. Old blurry photos that you cannot use. Wait, do not delete them just yet. This one prompt might save all your memories. Today, I will show you how to change this garbage photo into crystal clear, high resolution using Google Gemini with just a small prompt. You do not need any paid software. You do not need a heavy PC. Just a browser. Just that. Still, do not believe it? Look at this crazy change. Same photo. I gave one prompt in Gemini. Magic. Before upload the size was only 12 KB. Now it is a 3 MB clear photo. But I will tell the truth. Gemini is not always perfect. It makes mistakes sometimes, especially with face details. So knowing the exact formula is important. Let us go. Without talking more, let us go straight to the screen. Let us see how it works. First open your browser. Type gemini.google.com in the search bar and hit enter. Log in with your normal Gmail. I am using the free version. You do not need to buy Pro. After logging in, the interface will look like this. Look at the plus icon next to the prompt box at the bottom. Click exactly here. Simple. Now select and upload your torn and blurry photo. It will take a few seconds. Keep an important thing in mind. The blurrier the photo is, the more details you must tell Gemini. If you do not tell it, it will not recover it properly. Once uploaded, the real work begins. We have to write the special prompt in the empty text box. Look, I am pasting the prompt. Very simple. No complex words. Upscale this image to 4K resolution. Enhance the details, sharpen the edges, and remove all blurriness. You can save it in Notepad if you want. AI does not like long paragraphs. Keep it simple. Straight talk. Finished writing the prompt. Click the submit button. Gemini has started working now. Cross your fingers. This is totally thrilling. It is analyzing the pixels. It is making new pixels and filling the empty spaces. Depending on internet speed, it might take 15 to 20 seconds. Be patient. Do not refresh. Here the final result has arrived. Open the photo. Wow, the background looks totally real now. Mind blown. But wait, this shadow looks a bit like plastic. Gemini made a small mistake here. I told you before, it might not be perfect the first time. We will modify the prompt to fix the problem. Go to the text box again. Write, keep the shadows natural and do not over smooth the textures. Hit enter. Many times it gets better on the first try. If not, tell it specifically. Gemini learns by listening. Easy. Look now, much better than before. The shadow is totally natural. It does not look fake. To save, right-click on the image. Select Save Image As. See? In just a few seconds, a useless photo became useful again. Amazing. For those who make AI images and sell them online, this free trick is a goldmine. If the video helped even a little, hit like. And if you are new to the Gemini Image Upscale, Can One Prompt Fix Blurry Photos channel, subscribe. Many more AI hacks are coming like this. Tell me in the comments which photo you want to upscale. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Take care.